How to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted problem on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, go to your DMs, and then click on the person. Then click on their name at the top. You'll find options, click on options. In options, click on restrict. After you have clicked on restrict, simply unrestrict. To unrestrict the account, go to your profile located at bottom right and then click on three lines at the top right. Then scroll down in settings and activity, and then in here you will find restricted option. Click on restricted and then press on unrestrict. After you unrestrict, the problem will be solved. If it is still showing that problem, what you can do is go to their DM again, click on the person, then click at the top again, click on options, and then block the person. After you have blocked them, simply go back and then unblock them again. After you have unblocked them, it may solve your problem. But if you're still having issues after doing this, it simply means they have blocked you or they have deactivated their account. You can also delete the chat, search the chat at the top, and then text them again, and your problem might be fixed. This is how to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted problem on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.